What's up, guys? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader, part 2 of the Sunday twofer. Tonight, on part 2, I'm talking about Ethereum. This video is going to be a little bit quicker than I initially thought because Ethereum surprised me yet again. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you all about it. Alright, guys, hopping right into the Ethereum. I mean, this thing has been mind-blowing. All the hype and all the attention that some of the other coins have gotten, some of the other altcoins have gotten, but Ethereum has just been moving. Ethereum has been it's been leading the market. With that being said, this video is going to be might be a little contrarian, but I think it's about due. I think it's about time. Ethereum's going to break down. Nothing maintains this level of rise for this long, and I don't mean that in a sense that the coin is going to be down for good or down for any significant amount of time. I mean this only in the sense that a retrace is imminent. A retrace is going to have to happen at some point. I mean, you can't go just make consecutive days without having something happen with, a retrace of, 28%, 32%, 50%, and not 50% of the overall total. I'm not saying it's going to go from 4,000 down to 2,000. I'm not saying it's going to retrace half of the overall, but from the start of this up run, wow, this thing just never stopped rolling from the March 24th, 25th, and 26th, that Morningstar. This thing just never stopped rolling. But from the start of this run, I'll put it here. Put it from 21 because there was a little bit of a retrace. Excuse me, I'm starting to get tired. It's getting late, but I had to get this out for you. So let's take this out of the equation and say we're going to start here at this run up. We'll start on April 25th. From April 25th until now, this thing has been on a blistering pace. So from 2194 to 4100. So let's just say 2200 to 4100. And the difference there is going to be $1,900. Now, $1,900 is the growth. If you take a standard retracement of that, let's say at 50%, it'd be about $950 lost. So you're talking about potentially going down to 3,200, 32 and some change, or maybe 31 and some change. Why do I bring this up? I'm bringing this up because I believe that we are waiting, or I am waiting, for a signal to put a short on Ethereum. I missed the Ethereum rise. I missed the run up. So be it. But there's going to be... My gosh, excuse me. There's going to be a potential to see a big glaring sign to start the downtrend or to start the retrace, and it's going to give us the opportunity to short and have a very, very profitable short position on Ethereum. And again, I want to make sure this is absolutely crystal clear. Ethereum is a great coin. Ethereum is a very profitable coin. It is a strong earner. I'm not saying that the coin is going to go down in a significant manner, other than just the fact that it's going to be a standard retracement. I want to make sure that's clear, because I don't want it to appear that I'm trash talking Ethereum for some reason, because it's going to go down. It's just the nature of the market. The reason why I wanted to make the video tonight is because we had this big run up, followed by a full day of indecision. I mean, this candle did really nothing. It went up a little bit, went down a little bit, ended the same way. Now, since this daily candle has been about 5 hours long, and it's already gone up quite a good bit. I mean, this is already up what, 4% on a day. So the evening star pattern is out, likely out. I mean, there's still 19 hours left in the day. It could tank today. I don't see that happening though. I don't see a tank happening with so much volume already being pushed. But it's possible. But the big call here was going to be if this was going red, and I made this video, and it was around here, it's around 3,700, and it ended today around 3,500. That's when you're looking for that short position. At that point, you're looking evening star. That run up is over for now, and you know you can short your way from 3,500 down to 3,000 or something like that on leverage. A $500 short on leverage is insanely profitable. Right here, 4.5 or 4.3% at $167. You know, that's quite a bit of percentage profit on leverage if you go the opposite way, 500, and something like that. A consolidation on a rise like this is typically just as fast as the rise. So I mean, you could potentially get that full retrace within like 3 to 4 days. And you know, just something to think about. It's not going to happen today, like I thought it potentially could have. The odds are way out of alignment for that to happen. I don't see it happening now. But it's still a good time to put it out there, to watch for a signal, watch for a sign, watch for something to create a shorting opportunity. Now with this kind of run up on the daily candle today, and it's still moving up, I think instead of having a fast dip on a evening star, on the evening star, the most likely scenario would be something like a shooting star, where maybe the next day it opens here and buys up really high, and you get up to like a $4,500 candle or wick, and then it sells all the way back down and closes the day just slightly in the red. That long wick up is a shooting star. It means all the pressure that was buying was sold off. The sell pressure became the dominant pressure, and then that would signify the start of selling down. So those are the two big sell pressure indicators. The big reversal indicators that I'm looking for are evening stars and shooting stars. So that being said, guys, it's going to be a relatively quick video, but for Ethereum, I love the project, I love the coin. No, why I do that? I messed up. Love the project, love the coin, but a retrace is imminent. Be careful, guys. Be careful buying in at this level. Be careful looking for longer short positions. I mean, it's in a very critical position, and I don't know. You know, I could be wrong, and it could be another 5 days of upward momentum. I find it hard to see that. Let me know what you think, though. Do you think we got another week or 2 weeks of straight upward momentum in Ethereum, or do you agree that a retrace is pretty much imminent at this point, and we're going to see a retrace back down to, you know, $3,200 to $3,000? That would be my range. 32 to 3,000 would be my range for the retrace. All right, guys. Until next time. Peace.